Why people love to eat pizza. Delicious flavor. Pizza offers a harmonious combination of flavors, savory cheese, tangy tomato sauce, and various toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, and bell peppers that many people find irresistible. Customization. Pizza is highly customizable. You can choose your favorite toppings, crust type, and even the cheese blend to suit your taste. Comfort food. Pizza is often associated with comfort and indulgence. It's a go-to choice for many when they want a satisfying and familiar meal. Versatile. It's suitable for various occasions, from casual family dinners to celebratory parties. Pizza can be served as a snack, appetizer, or main course. Convenience. It's readily available through delivery or takeout, making it a convenient choice for busy individuals and families. History of pizza. The origins of pizza can be traced back to ancient civilizations, with variations of flatbreads topped with ingredients similar to modern pizza toppings. The term pizza was first documented in Italy in the 10th century, although it referred to a sweet flatbread rather than the savory dish we know today. The modern pizza we're familiar with tomato sauce and cheese, emerged in Naples, Italy, in the late 18th century. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Italian immigrants brought pizza to the United States, where it gained popularity in cities like New York and Chicago. The first pizzeria in the United States, Lombardi's, opened in New York City in 1905. Interesting fun facts about pizza. World Pizza Capital, Naples, Italy, is considered the birthplace of pizza and is often called the World Pizza Capital. Pizza Margherita, the classic margherita pizza, with tomato, mozzarella cheese, basil, and olive oil, was named after Queen Margherita of Italy in the late 19th century. Pizza in space. Pizza was among the first foods delivered to astronauts in space. Pizza Hut delivered a pizza to the International Space Station in 2001. Record-setting pizza. The largest pizza ever made measured 131 feet in diameter and was created in Rome in 2012. Pizza varieties. There are countless pizza varieties worldwide, from Neapolitan and New York style to Chicago deep dish and Hawaiian. Health benefits of pizza. While pizza is often considered a comfort food, it can also offer some health benefits when made with nutritious ingredients. Nutrient-rich toppings. Pizza can be loaded with vegetables like tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms, providing essential vitamins and minerals. Calcium. The cheese on pizza is a good source of calcium, vital for strong bones and teeth. Protein. Toppings like lean meats, chicken or turkey, and even plant-based proteins, tofu, can provide protein for muscle health and overall nutrition. Whole grains. Opt for whole grain crusts to increase fiber intake, which aids in digestion and helps you feel fuller longer. Antioxidants. Tomato sauce is rich in antioxidants like lycopene, known for its potential health benefits. It's important to note that the healthfulness of pizza depends on the ingredients and portion size. Choosing whole, fresh, and balanced toppings can make pizza a relatively nutritious option as part of a balanced diet. However, excessive consumption of pizza high in processed meats and excessive cheese may have health drawbacks. Please like and subscribe for more food facts.